Hello, welcome to tutorial. On today I'm going to be drawing a hot sexy woman. And no, this woman isn't your wife, it's your husband. So yeah, this woman is called your husband, and he'll love you even if the earth kills him for loving, because love is a kind of like an illusion, but not really, but at the same time it is, because you know, well, personally, most people at this age would be getting pregnant, and I'm single. Okay, so first off, you want to make eye contacting, glaring eyes, ones that stare into your soul, and you want to make it really agaga, which kind of means very hot, sexy, beautiful, porno, hot. I don't know. So I don't know what to say, but the way they stare makes you be in a relationship for longer, because it reinforces the love acting, the act of love, if you know what I mean. But then we're gonna give them a very Elmo smile, because Elmo is the hottest man on this world. You don't know how hot he is until you meet him. I'm gonna give them the Elmo smile. It's like the best smile, honestly, out there so far. Yes, you should pet him and fuck him and make out with him. He's very hot, and it's a good pastime. So, so if you wanna marry a hot dude, make sure he's hot, but make him have arm. He has to work like a lumberjack. If he doesn't work as a lumberjack, he's not worth it. But I don't know what to say. I'm single. But that's not the point. The point of the tutorial is to bully you and to make you feel like you're worth like garbage. Shut up. Shut up, Gabriela. Anyway, you have to make them a double chin, because that's considered hot in Mexico. That's what my uncle has. He has a double chin. He very hate it. Shut up. He's a no chin. Okay. Sure. So, you want? Cállate la pinche Gabriela. ¿Quién dijo que tenía autoridad para andar hablando así de babosada, mamona? Voy a hacer mi tutorial. Okay, so you want them to have big ears like their father?
Looks like a ball sack.
No, shut up. Okay. You have to make it look very shaky, and have eating, because that's considered hot in China, because he's Chinese. Yeah, very hot in China. So he's gonna have the most Greek god hairstyle, because that's what the Greek gods. Shut up, Gabriela. Shut up. This is how to make yaoi characters. For an actual real tutorial and not very, I don't know. Yeah, give me 10 likes and I'll do an actual tutorial for it, and I'll give you garbage. But for now, shut up, Gabriela, cállate. Okay, so
With a big ball sack.
I'll slap your ball sack on the wall.
I don't have one.
I know you have one. I saw you last night. I'm joking.
What the fuck?
I'm trying to draw for YouTube. Shut up. You're gonna give him dreadlocks, which is very hot in Jamaica, I think. I don't know. I'm not Jamaican. So,
That's what you draw.
you're gonna give him a heart because he's very make the hearts very ugly because that's how ugly his his
Make it a clip.
there. So
A brochure.
you want him to be a hot body, like
a woman body.
no. This is the most hottest body. You can't even.
Peppa the Pig. Is
Shut
that
up!
you?
You're so disgusting. You disgust
Is that
me.
you? Peppa
You
the
disgust
Pig?
me. How can
Are we
this?
making a wee character like Matt? Like Mr. William?
Yeah, we're making Mr. William body.
Who have you done?
Yeah, well, I mean, this kind of does look like Mr. William. So
As a girl.
yeah,
he
this
already
could be-
he already has a boyfriend.
I don't know. Shut up,
It's
Rita.
Mr. Reese.
If they actually see this video, they're gonna kill me.
It's
But
Mr. Reese.
this, yeah, Mr. Reese and Mr. William, baby.
Very shipping.
I don't ship it, but okay.
I very ship. I'm joking.
Girl, you're so annoying. Let me record my video. Anyway, about that.
I know his sagging ears.
No, this is loading. So you're going to make his clothes very hot clothing, and you wanna use an eraser, more known as a rubber. You're gonna use it, and you're going to.
Oh no, I
erase
lost my rubber and I'm gonna have kids.
it. So annoying. Shut up.
Why do you
So,
call it a rubber? Like, what's a rubber?
rubber is a condom with what your mother put inside her. Okay, okay, I don't know.
You know, I don't think that's how it works.
Shut up! That's my name is in my signature. Stupid person. Okay.
So why you say my
I don't know
real
why
name?
making videos on New Year's like really rushed, but it's not the point. It's that my New Year's resolution is to make more videos, but at the same time I don't care.
My New Year's resolution
I want to
is
live-
to die.
Shut up, Gorilla!
Why are you talking with me then? Why are you talking?
Gabriela, si no te caes otra vez te voy a decir a mamá que tú andas leyendo sus gay pornos. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you will be able to draw Mr. Williams when he is pregnant with his child. But
Poetries.
before we make him pregnant, we're gonna make some clothing fulls. Like, I'm not a pro at this, but like
Is that?
see, I'm not a
I'm
good.
pretty sure that's dirt.
Yeah, it's dirt because he got really dirty with Mr. Reese last night. Okay. Boy.
Yeah, Mr. Reese gave him a blowjob.
Okay, actually stop it. It's rude. Anyway about that.
Okay, I will be rude.
Here we're gonna actual clothing texture. Well, it doesn't look like clothing, but it kind of does at the same time.
Realistic.
Yeah, very realistic, definitely.
Super realistic.
So that's how you draw a dude. Now see you next time.